the target was this, approximately 7 hours. Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to share a trade I took on GBP USD yesterday for approximately 7 hours, as you can see here. And this trade was taken on 23rd of September 2024. You can go on your charts and backtest this trade for yourself. So let's start by going to higher time frame, and so let's mark out the liquidity points. This is one of the liquidity targets for this day. This is one more liquidity that we targeted for this trade, and this was also the previous day low that was already taken out during the London session. And now let's mark out the POIs. So this was the last down candle that took out the liquidity from, let me delete this first, that took out the liquidity from these lows. As you can see, this was the last down candle. So this was already mitigated during the London session, so I was expecting the price to go higher and take out these liquidity points. So let's go down to 5 minutes time frame. So this was, you can see the price already tapped into this POI during the London session. So I took one loss. I was trying to enter the buy a bit early over here, but market came down all the way till here. So once the London session was over, I waited for the New York Open, and what you can see in between, the market created this trend. This is the perfect trend line that everyone can see, and you can see from retail perspective, this is higher high, this is lower low. So what everyone is, let me delete this first. So what everyone is expecting, another lower low, maybe stops over here and target below this low. So this is what everyone is expecting after they see this fake break of structure. So but we do not trade this way. We were expecting price to take out these liquidity points, as the price already took the previous day's low, and I was expecting price to take out at least this high. Okay, so let me go down to 1 minute time frame. So what you can see, the price after tapping into this, price gave a fake break of structure. So market is giving a fake reaction that it is now ready to sell, and it also broke this trend line. So most of the traders who use trend line and market structure are trying to sell from these points and stop above this high. But in our case, this is our target, the first target you can say, but this was the only one and the final TP for me, because we are in the middle of the range. So the market can decide to take this liquidity point first and decide to come down again, take out these lows and then go higher. So it is safe to take your targets at relevant liquidity points. After the market broke out of this trend line, it came down, tapped into this, and started making lower low and higher highs. So my entry was right above here after it broke this minor structure to the upside. So this was my entry. Stops were below this low, and the target was this, approximately 7 hour. So this was a pretty quick and simple 7-hour trade during the London Open. See, if you understand these concepts, it is quite easy to catch 5-hour, 7-hour, even 10-hour trades on a daily basis. So that is it from me today, and I will see you guys in the next one.